Hey everyone, Minty here, and today we are going to be unboxing a product called TP-Link TL-WR820N from Shopee. Now, I bought this from the official store of TP-Link, and I will be linking down below if you guys want to check it out. Let's go ahead and unbox this and test it out. I hope it works. Alright, so we got our handy scissors, and now we're going to be opening the plastic wrappings. Alright, so here it is. That's the product. Yes, I hope you guys see it clearly. There's actually two versions for this router, and when we bought this, the version 1 isn't available, so just went ahead with the version 2 instead. That's a lot of plastic. So, let's put it down. Then we have another plastic that needs to be taken off. Alright, so now the plastics are all gone. You can now start unboxing the real box. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna take it one by one. So, alright, we got our router here. It's really small, to be honest. It's so small. Okay, see? It's the size of my palm, my hands. As you can see, guys, you got 3 ports on this version 2. There's written there WAN, LAN 1, LAN 2, and the reset button and power port. Okay. Next, we got some quick installation guide. Oh, we got a free Ethernet cable. Also, in the box, we have the power supply. That's everything in the box. There's actually nothing more. So in the box, the router itself, we got a free Ethernet cable and the power supply. Alright, so the next thing is we're gonna test it out if it's working. Alright, here we are. This is the router. I've set it up. As you can see, I've put the our main connection, internet connection, on the first port, and the connection for my main computer is on the second one. Now, let's go to our computer and see if it's working. Here we are. Okay, it's already connected, and as you can see, there's a Wi-Fi with the router. Now let's test it out.
Alright, we go to our speed test, and we will be trying out the speed for this router. Actually, the speed of this router is up to 300 Mbps, that is shown in the box, but currently we are subscribed to PLDT, and hopefully we got the 20 Mbps that we're currently subscribed in. Alright, so as you guys can see, we're getting 26.45 Mbps and a whooping 40 plus upload. That's our speed test for this router. Now I will show you how to set up the Wi-Fi. So I will show you guys where you can find the password for your Wi-Fi if you guys don't know where it is. We'll go back to our main camera.
Now, for the password for the Wi-Fi, if you're still starting to set it up, you can see the password at the back of the router.
Now that we have the password for the router, we put that into our wireless network connection, and after connecting, we go to our web browser and type 192.168.0.1 and then you will be prompted to put a new password for your router. Now here you are prompted to pick your current time zone. Then they ask you for your dynamic or static IP. Here we use the dynamic IP, and here are other settings. We click next, and it applies the changes that we've made, and we're done. That's it.
Alright, so that's it for the unboxing of the TP-Link TL-WR820N. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and now if you guys like this kind of content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think about this product or any suggestions. See you guys next time, and thank you for watching.